In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of svchost.exe on Windows 10. So first thing you're going to do is go here and type in services. So here, open services and find the application background intelligent trans. So it should be here. So you would find this one, background intelligent transfer service. So you would basically right click and stop the service. After that, you would go to properties and here you would select disabled and then you would click apply and OK. After that, you would go down to Windows Update. So go all the way down till you see Windows Update. So this should be here, Windows Update. So right click, stop. So as you can see, it's already stopped. So you would go to properties, go to here and select disabled and then click apply and OK. After that, restart your computer and your issue is fixed.